Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Funani Entertainment. So guys, I just have only 2 steps which you can follow to make your internet speed fast. It doesn't matter which network you are using. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are not left behind whenever I upload my videos. So let's start. First, you have to start by going to your settings and then go to your connections, guys. So those who are using Samsung, it will be simple for you to follow this step, and actually those who are using Android phone, it will be simple for you to follow this step. So you can go to your settings and then go to mobile networks, and then first step, guys, as you can see there on top where it's written data roaming, you see there it's off. So make sure that you turn, I will also turn mine on. As you can see, make sure that you turn it on, guys. Make sure that you turn it on. Your phone has to be on data roaming. Then also you have to select, check there if your phone is not on 3G. Make sure that your phone is on LTE 3G or 2G. And another thing, if you are using a 3G phone, you are not going to see the first option, because LTE, it stands for 4G network. So if you are using a 3G network, you are not gonna see that first option. So it's fine for you to select a 3G and 2G network. So then let's go for step number 2. So now we are going to last option, network operators. Then okay, so here let me explain a little bit for you so that you can understand what's going on. So here, as you can see, there's automatically and also manual. So you have to make sure that you select automatically, no matter which SIM card you are using or no matter which network you are using. You have to make sure that you select automatically, because if you do this, I know that a lot of people, they do this, select manually, and then let me wait for it. Okay, let me wait for it. Still searching for a network. Just be patient a little bit. Then here we go. A lot of people, they select, if you are using MTN, they will select MTN made for you. If they are using Cell C, they will select Cell C, Telkom, and then Vodacom, the same thing. So you don't do that. You select automatically so that you will have coverage, even if there's poor network. So just select automatically like this, automatically, which means I will have access to network anytime, anywhere. So thank you guys for watching.